Hello everyone, welcome back. As a parent, we all want to help our little ones build a strong foundation for their future learning. Today, I'm excited to share some fun and engaging pre-writing activities specifically designed for children aged 3 to 5 years. These activities are not just about picking pencils, they are about developing the fine motor skills, eye-hand coordination, and logical thinking they need to get ready for writing and school. We will be using simple hand-drawn worksheet like this which you can easily recreate at home to make learning playful experience. Let's dive in and get started. In this activity, as you can see, little ones are presented with several illustrations of vehicles that are missing their tires. The child task is to draw circles in the empty space beneath each vehicle to complete the picture and add tires. Drawing small control shapes helps strengthening the small muscles, which results in developing fine motor skills. Counting flowers. In this activity, little ones look at a different flower pots that contains varying number of flowers. The child task is to count the number of flowers in each pot and write the number. This activity introduces children to the concept of counting items in a group, which is a foundational math skill. This helps children to associate a specific quantity of objects with a number. This task encourages children to pay close attention to each pot and carefully count each individual flowers. Match the bugs. In this worksheet, children see a row of different bugs on the left side and the same exact bugs mixed up on the right side. The task is to look at a bug on the left, find its matching pair on the right, and draw a line connecting the two. This activity helps in developing visual discrimination and eye-hand coordination. Roll and color. This activity requires a dice and the roll and color worksheet. Children roll the dice, look at the dots that appears, count and find the number, and then find and color the matching flowers on the page. Coloring inside the lines of the flowers helps children in developing fine motor skill, and the process of seeing the number, finding the corresponding flowers help to develop eye-hand coordination. The game-like nature of rolling a dice makes practicing these skills feels more like fun than a chore. This activity features a harvest theme where children identify the letters written on loose shape-cut pieces. The child task is to match each letters to its corresponding place on the worksheet to complete a word or a name. By physically placing letters to form a word or name, children actively practice spelling and letter sequencing. Handling the individual little pieces and placing them on the worksheet helps refine small muscle control in the fingers. I hope you found these activities helpful and that you will have a wonderful time trying them out with your little ones. Remember parents, the goal is to make learning feel like play, so don't worry about perfection. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Sushant Sahana's World for more simple educational videos. Thank you so much. See you in next video.